In this segment, you will see how to assemble the Agri-Fab Utility 10 steel cart. While assembling the cart, do not secure any bolts until directed to ensure best fitment. Begin by placing the two cart bed panels, part 5, together and align the holes along the bottom lip. Insert 3 1/4 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part E, through the holes and loosely secure them with 3/4 20 nylock nuts, part F. Do not fully tighten them yet. Next, take the lower rear angle, part 4, and align it with the bed. Then insert 4 5/16 18 by 3/4 inch truss head bolts, part D, through the holes in the bottom of the cart bed and bracket. Loosely secure them with 4 5/16 inch nylock nuts, part G. Do not fully tighten the bolts until directed. Now attach the left rear angle to the cart body by inserting 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch hex bolt, part E, with a 1/4 inch washer, part N, and loosely secure it with a 1/4 20 nylock nut, part F, making sure to leave them a little bit loose. Repeat this process for the right rear angle. Now insert a 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch hex bolt, part E, into the lower hole of each rear angle and loosely secure them with 2 1/4 20 nylock nuts, part F. Then insert a 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch hex bolt, part E, into the remaining hole of each rear angle and loosely secure them with 2 1/4 20 nylock nuts, part F. Next, align a tailgate guide, part 6, inside the cart with the guide channels toward the front of the cart bed. Loosely secure it with 2 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part E, and 2 1/4 20 nylock nuts, part F. Make sure to leave them a little bit loose. Repeat for the other side. Now fully secure the bolts on the bottom of the cart bed. Then tighten the bolts along the bottom of the tailgate reinforcement bracket. Then tighten the bolts in the ends of the tailgate reinforcement bracket. Now tighten the bolts attaching the tailgate guides. Next, turn the cart over so it rests on the tailgate reinforcement bracket. Align the front panel, part 8, onto the cart bed so that the flanges fit on the outside of the cart bed. From the inside of the cart bed, insert 6 1/4 20 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part E. And fully secure them with 6 1/4 20 nylock nuts, part F. Now align the bed supports, part 7, and wheel supports, part 10, and fully secure them using 8 5/16 18 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part D. With 8 5/16 18 nylock nuts, part G. Fully secure them now. Now loosely fasten a wheel support with 4 5/16/18 by 3/4 inch truss head bolts, part O. And 4 5/16/18 nylock nuts, part G. Leave it a little bit loose for now. Repeat for the other side. Next, align the latch stand bracket, part 9, and fully secure it using 4/4 20 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part E. With 4/4 20 nylock nuts, part F. Fully secure them now. Then place the cart upside down. Now align the drawbar tongue as shown. Then slide the axle through a wheel support. Next, slide on a 4.75 inch spacer, part C. Now slide the axle through the drawbar tongue, followed by another 4.75 inch spacer, part C. Then slide it through the other wheel support assembly. Now slide on a large washer, part H, onto the end of the axle. Then slide on a wheel, part 12. Next, slide on another large washer, part H. Then insert an 1/8 inch by 1 1/4 inch cotter pin, part J, and bend the ends out to secure the wheel. Repeat on the other side. Now, fully secure the wheel supports. Then insert the latch lever lock, part 13, through the drawbar as seen. Next, slide the 5/16/18 by 3 inch hex bolt, part A, through the drawbar tongue, and then slide on a 1 inch spacer, part B. Now slide the assembly through the latch lock lever, and slide on another 1 inch spacer, part B. Then slide the assembly through the drawbar tongue, and fully secure it with a 5/16/18 nylock nut, part G. Next, attach the short end of the spring, part I, to the latch lock lever. Then pull the other end using the spring puller tool to seat it in the slot on the drawbar. Now, turn the cart upright onto its wheels. Then align the hitch bracket, part 14, and secure it using 2 5/16 by 3/4 inch hex bolts, part O, and 2 5/16 inch nylock nuts, part G. Next, install the tailgate by sliding it into the tailgate guides. To attach the cart to a tractor, align the hitch bracket and then slide in the hitch pin, part L. Then secure it with an 1/8 inch hair cotter pin, part M.